guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be a hairstyle video. I love doing these videos. It is going to be on a hairstyle that I posted on my Instagram. It is 2 braids going like this into little pigtails. So I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve it. It is fairly simple. It does take a little bit of practice, so I figured I would film this video for you guys because I love doing hair tutorials and I definitely want to do more. So thumbs up this video if you guys like hair tutorials, and I definitely will do more. This video is probably going to be fairly short. It is just one hairstyle that I am doing. I wanted to come up with like a couple hairstyles to do this for this video, but I feel like I have covered a lot of hairstyles already. I will leave all of my hairstyle videos down below. I have a video on how to waterfall braid, and it's actually gotten quite the hit. I'm really proud. It's actually a pretty old video though, and I've done like hairline braids. I've done so many different like braided hairstyles, so I will leave those linked down below. So I couldn't really think of like what else to do for this video, so it is just going to be one hairstyle. So I'm sorry if it's super short, but I did get questions on this hairstyle and you guys wanted to see a video on how to do it. So if you guys are not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe it down below. Also give this video a thumbs up. It does help out my channel a lot. And let's just get into the video. So I did just freshly wash my hair, so that's why it is like super like shiny, and this hairstyle is definitely best on like day 2 hair just because it has a little bit more grit, which is why I'm going to be using some dry shampoo just to try to like make it so it's not so silky, because sometimes it's harder to braid when it's like super shiny like this. I didn't straighten my hair. This is just freshly blow dried. I do have fairly straight hair. You can do this hairstyle with curled hair. It looks really pretty, but for some reason like the straight hair, I feel like you look a little bit more like sassy. Feel free to straighten your hair if you need to, but I'm just going to jump right in. So this hairstyle is parted straight down the middle. So I'm just going to take a comb and I'm just going to part this straight down. You could obviously switch this hairstyle up and do like 3 braids instead of just 2, or you can just do 1 braid if you want and do like a little top knot, which I do all the time as well. So we are just going to part it straight down the middle. I'm probably going to do about like 1.5 inches section here because we do want the braid to be obvious. If you do too small of a section, you can't really see the braid. So you definitely want to make sure you have enough hair. So I think I'm going to make it just a tad wider here. So just gonna go straight back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the hair. Alright, so I'm just going to clip all the other hair out of the way, so what's ever left hanging is what we are going to be using. That way nothing gets all confused. Alright, so I did zoom you guys in just so that you can see it closer. So as you can see, we probably did, I would say, about 2 inches section. Obviously you can make this thicker. You can do like super thick braids if you want, but this is like what I usually do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray some dry shampoo in just to give my hair like just a little bit of texture. If this is day 2 hair for you, you could still use the dry shampoo, but I suggest doing this hairstyle when your hair is a little bit dirty. Alright, so I'm going to grab this first section with my pointer finger, and I'm just going to split this section into 3. This is going to be a Dutch braid. So it's very similar to French braiding, except instead of going over, you're just going under. That way the braid kind of doesn't like pop out, if that makes sense. So we're going to take this outer section and put it underneath the middle section. Take this outer section, put it back under the middle, and then now you're just going to start incorporating hair. So I'm going to take a little bit of hair here, and I'm going to just take this and put it under, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just take this section, add some hair, and put it under. You want to tighten it as you go, so I'm just going to take some hair, put it under that section, take some hair, It is a lot harder to do this when your hair is freshly washed because it's just too silky. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And here's when you kind of want to decide how far back you want to go. So you can bring it pretty far back, but I like to pretty much stop my section about right here. So I will just kind of finish it off just a little bit. And then I will take one of these like little hair ties here. And then you just want to give it a little tug like so. And there you have it. That is one section done. So now I'm just going to let the clip down and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so now we're going to do our other section. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to tie off the rest of this section here. So this is what we are working with, and as you can see, they are pretty similar. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo in there. So as you can see, that is what we are working with. Obviously, they're not going to be like perfect. So this is what the hairstyle looks like. I just think it's like a really cute, fun look. I always feel like so sporty in this look. It's just really cute, and obviously you can switch up whatever way you guys want. You can do one braid, and then you could do like little buns right here instead of just like leaving it, which I think would be so cute. And for that, you could just kind of like twist each little ponytail around and then kind of like bobby pin them down. So they're just like that, like little cute little buns like that. Really, really simple. But I'm just going to leave mine like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of like quick. It really just takes practice. Honestly, even just now I was getting frustrated because my hair is super silky. So it was really falling all over the place. So definitely give this look a try. Do not get frustrated if you cannot get it the first time. And honestly, it does look cuter when it's not even like perfect. Like when it looks messy, I think it looks really cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!